Hello everybody, today I'm going to tell you Donald's Quacky Duck City, 5 things you must know for Disneyland. I'm Japanese going to Tokyo Disney Resort every month, so if you're a first timer to come to Tokyo Disney, here in this video you're gonna find out some brand new information about the Tokyo Disneyland, so let's watch it until the end, so let's go! So it was 6:45 in the morning. I came here, so it was very early in the morning. In this video, you can find out 5 things you must know before coming to Tokyo Disney. Actually, it's quite unique experience you're gonna have here. The reason why is so many Japanese came here and you have to wait like more than 60 or 120 minutes or more about rides and some stuffs. So if you know the information I give you, you're gonna find out it's very easy. So let's go. Actually, the park was open at 9 a.m. So I waited for 2 hours. The reason why I came here in the very early in the morning is, to have an experience like to get in the rides and to meet up with characters and some stuffs. So I was very excited and I always came here very early in the morning. I entered into the park at 9:03. So from now on, I will tell you 5 things. First of all, what is to do in the morning? In the morning, you can see some decorations about the brand new event, Donald's Quacky Duck City. Everywhere you go, it's so lovely, colored in blue, and some Donald's symbol mark is on the wall. It's so nice, right? So I always try to do something, get some standby pass and a priority pass and a Disney Premier Access. In the morning, it's like very competitive, so you have to get it in the earlier compared with others. So I got standby pass for 1 p.m. This is for brand new merchandise at Donald's Quacky Duck City. And after that, I got Disney Premier Access for Quacky Celebration Donald's Legend. I bought Disney Premier Access for Disney Castle. In front of the castle, there are so many seats, and you can watch show in a very good place. And after got DPA, I got priority pass for Space Mountain. This Space Mountain is one of the most popular rides here, so you have to get it. It's gonna be finished in July 31st. It was quite surprising for me. There was no queue for waffle. Mickey waffle is quite popular. You always need to wait more than 60 minutes to get. So let me summarize about it. What I did in the morning. I got standby pass for new merchandise. And the next one, DPA for new parades, Donald's Quacky Celebration. And next one, I got priority pass for Space Mountain. So these 3 things is very important to do in the morning. The reason why is it's gonna be sold out. So let's do it in the very early in the morning. Second, be careful to the Donald's greeting. Before getting there, I was talking about what I got about today's schedule. I got Disney Premier Access for Quacky Celebration, Donald Legend, and I bought Disney Premier Access for Splash Mountain. And luckily, I could get a seat for Cloud Mouse Speed and the Mickey's Magical Music World. Cloud Mouse Speed and the Mickey's Magical Music World. These are, you need to do a lottery. It's called entry request. And luckily, I could get a seat for that. And after that, I got a Space Mountain's priority pass and a mobile order for lunch at Grandma Salad's kitchen. And lastly, the standby pass for Disney and Company. So it's quite tight schedule, right? But I always do it. It's very nice to have a schedule in my app. While walking, I just came to the Donald's greeting place. Actually, it was a 60-minute wait for Donald's greeting, so it's quite long for me. So I tried to change it to Daisy. I met Daisy as it was a 25 minutes wait. It was my birthday, so tried to say hi to her, and I told her I'm birthday.
こんにちは。ありがとう、かわいい。かわいい。あ、はい、こんにちは。あ、すごいニコニコですね。ありがとう。
She was so lovely, right? And it was a quite amazing moment for me. And she was like, saying hi to me and celebrated my birthday. Thanks very much. Then after that, I tried to get to the Grand Bazaar to see Donald. Maybe he is there. There he is. He was so popular. If you come around the castle, you can find Donald's many decorations. Donald's Quacky Deck City, and Donald is the best dancer, and Rubbish Bin is like a Donald's costume. If you go to around shops, there is a parasol for Donald's. Donald's some graffiti on the ground. And lastly, I got a birthday seal. It's a bit different to the Donald things. But, if you ask cast, I'm birthday today, you're going to get a wonderful seal. It looks lovely, right? My name is Yopi, so it was my happiest birthday. Number 3 is the main show for to watch. As I told you, I got a seat for Mickey's Magical Music World and the Club Mouse Beat. These two shows are main shows in Tokyo Disneyland. So first of all, I went to the Forest Theater. It was quite nearby to the Beauty and the Beast. Here is my seat. So after the show, how was it? It was very nice. The reason why is that so many brand new characters were dancing together, and it was quite fun to listen to many Disney songs. And Mickey and Mickey, Minnie Mouse, and many friends came here, and it's collaborating together. It was so nice, and I hope you're gonna watch it. Once you don't get a pass for the seat, you still have a chance to watch it. There are so many free seats on the second floor, so you have to wait more than 30 minutes until the show is start. But you have a chance to watch it, so let's get to it. After that, I went to the Space Mountain. Here is like celebrating the Space Mountain's final event. There are photo places. You're gonna sit on the Space Mountain's machine and take the picture. And after the Space Mountain, there's some, art you can find. It says a new future awaits in 2027. It's kind of sad for me. I went on the Space Mountain here more than 100 times, so it was so nice. But I'm looking forward to the 2027. It's like you have to know. You can get a lovely seal if you ask stuff around the Space Mountain. It looks so cool, right? I watched Club Mouse Beat here. Club Mouse Beat is mainly dancing. Mickey and Minnie Mouse and Donald and Chip and Dale and Goofy and his son Max. They are dancing together with a very rock and roll music. It's quite fun. The one thing, it was brand new things added to this. Mickey will be coming to the seat, and the Minnie Mouse as well, and the Pluto. They're so lovely, right? Oh my gosh, she's so cute. You have to experience. You have to have experienced it. It's so nice. Number 4, there's no merchandise of Donald's. So it was 1 p.m. I went to buy the Donald's merchandise at Disney and Company. If you have a standby pass, you're gonna show it to the cast and you can get in the shops. I will tell you what I can get. Here is a Donald's lovely bag, and this one's Gua stick. If you have this stick, and it's gonna be, like a sound like a real duck. I bought this one. You can shake it. It's like gua 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 gua. It's so lovely, right? And I bought the sunglasses. Looks like Donald's. And also we bought some bags. Yeah, everything I see is very cute, and the brand new merchandise are very popular, so it's gonna be sold out very soon. So if you want to get it, please get in the park earlier. And after that, I found some souvenirs for Space Mountains. This is the Space Mountain final event merchandise. That's so lovely. I bought a keychain.
さあなんだこれだ
It's so cool, right?
いいじゃんかわいいいいねかっこいいねこれかっこいいじゃんかっこいいやんいい感じ
And the Gua stick.
買いました
The sounds is like, I tend to do it. It's so fun. So this is the sunglasses.
こんにちは
It's like,
サングラスが
very cute, right? On the right side, you can find the Donald's hat. It's a bit embarrassing. I'm 33. And this one's a Donald's Quacky Duck City bags. And this is Tomika. It's a toy, small car, but actually quite real side. That's so lovely, right? And then I tried to find the Donald's doll, but everywhere I go, I couldn't find it. Lastly, I found a keychain for Donald's and a Daisy. It was 1,500 yen. If you want to get it, please get to the Emporio in the Disneyland Grand Bazaar. You can find it. Number 5. How is the new parade? So as I told you, I got Disney Premier Access for Disney Quacky Celebration Donald Legends. It's brand new characters called Pete. He's a first timer came into Tokyo Disneyland, and he and with a guy rock and roll show. So it was so much fun, and it says we love Donald songs, and he's gonna be like a super duck. His dancing was so cute, and if you have a chance, please watch it. It was so nice. It's gonna be very big. Donald will be coming just nearby the pit. So that's it about today's video. How was it? It was a quite nice time to get here for celebrate my birthday. I could get a DPA and standby pass and priority pass for Space Mountain. So if you come to Tokyo Disney at the moment, you're gonna enjoy the Donald's event and the Space Mountain event. These two events are very, very fun, and hope you enjoy it. And the merchandise is so cute. If you have a chance, if the product wouldn't be sold out, you have to get it. What I recommend is that Gua stick. Once you get it, you can shake it. The sound of it is quite, fun to do it. So how was today's video? I hope you have a wonderful time at the park, and thanks for watching until the end. If you have a fun time in this video, please subscribe my channel, and please follow Instagram, TikTok, and X as well. So now if you come to Tokyo Disney, it's not so much crowded. I really recommend to come on the weekdays. It's quite fun, and hope you're gonna have a good time in Disney. So that's it. See you next time. Bye bye.